Private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, has weighed in on a recommendation by the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, to place a ceiling on the public sector wage bill. That ceiling would ensure the wage bill does not become a fiscal risk to Jamaica's economic program. At a recent press briefing, EPOC stated that by the end of this fiscal year, public sector wages are projected at $414.2 billion. That's roughly 13% of GDP and 45% of tax revenues. If the trend continues, EPOC stated the figure could become a fiscal risk, and so a cap is needed on the wage bill as a percentage of GDP. The issue was put to PSOJ President Metri Siaga.
Whilst I understand what EPOC is saying, again, it comes back to the fact that our economy is too small. Placing a cap on wage to GDP is, whilst it's a good matrix to have, and it's a good indicator, our economy needs to be bigger so that that number can be bigger. Because we need more police, we need more nurses, we need more teachers, we need more doctors. We need more people in those critical positions, and we need to pay them more. However, we need productivity from them.
To help grow the economy, the PSOJ says for 2025, it will be heavily focused on exports and high-value manufacturing.
We need large international companies to come to Jamaica to start doing their manufacturing here, and it needs to be higher value added. So we're going to need to employ people from overseas to bring them in to be able to transfer the knowledge to our Jamaicans, and from there start to export those products. And I'm talking about large manufacturing entities that are going to move the needle.
As part of the process, Mr. Siaga says Jamaica's labor laws should be updated.
We know that it's a hard political ask. We get that it is not easy to do, but we feel that somebody is going to have to take the bull by the horns and sit down, private sector unions and the government, and come together and have a real hard relook at our labor laws, because they are simply not up to date.
Amidst